So right now I'm rewiring all the brand new lights. It's not so much fun, but I am learning a lot. And so we got the fan in up there, still got to get that wired. Windows in, still got one more to go. So, and then we have a mess down here, the radio and the backup camera. And yeah, so I'm getting through it little by little. And like I said, I'm learning a lot. And I'm just gonna keep going and get this figured out. And then hopefully I can get on the road and start painting again. We'll get her done. All right. Have a good morning.